We had Michael B. Jordan from Creed. He actually got one of these, but in black. That was another huge win for us. I'm just gonna keep it real, right? The space kind of gets congested from people that are inspired by someone at a whim and may not be dedicated. So if you don't have the money, you have to be creative, right? Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Cash Cow Romo, owner of Cash Cow Clothes, the #1 cow-inspired aesthetic brand in the United States. So my inspiration really comes from my youth. You know, I grew up in the 90s, 2000s, and we're big on the Jordan approach, where you have a silhouette or you have a design, but you reimagine it multiple ways through different tools and applications.
We just took your logo, some of the key things about your brand, and try to figure out how can we apply different heat transfer treatments to this.
No, this is crazy.
Yeah, so you just...
No, this is crazy. Yo, you getting this? This is crazy, crazy.